and it's a surprise, YouTube friends. We don't have cat, and there are lots of cats roaming around here. But we've been here in this house that we are renting for 3 years, and more than 3 years. But this is our first time to see this breed, and he's so friendly. Other cats are really like wild. If they see us, they run away. But this one, or she was like saying, "How are you? Look at me. Here. How are you? You're lost, right? You're lost? Huh? Oh, you're lost. Oh, you're lost. Mm. Don't touch the chicken, huh? Hmm? Where's your house? Where's your owner? Hmm? Why are you here? It's my first time seeing you here. Don't poo here, huh? Hmm? Because it's smelly. Hmm? Don't hurt the chickens. I let them out. Huh? Email? I don't know who's the owner of this. Cats really love to go here. I don't know, for rats. And this morning I am like planning to go outside and to get banana blossom for our chickens, because my family and I have to go to a distant place, like 70 kilometers here from here, for community services this afternoon. And I am assigned to give this speech. It's written in Thai. สวัสดีครับทุกท่าน Pakrao you're stealing the show, right? So sweet. So sweet of you. So sweet of you, meow meow. Oh, come on. Oh, meow meow. Now you're so dirty now. Go back to your home. Huh? Oh, so sweet. So sweet. So sweet, meow meow. Oh, oh, meow meow. Oh. Ma, gaay daw og gamay isda, ma. Gigutom ni ba ngayo og pagkaon? Yeah, I'm speaking my dialect, YouTube friends. I was calling my mother to like give me here some fish, and we'll feed some fish for this cat. I think she's hungry. Maybe. Poor kitty. Where's your house? Hmm? What pushed you to come here, huh? I'll be practicing my speech, darling, for today's community service. Meow meow. พวกเราคือคริสตจักรเซเวนเดียแอดเวนทิสต์ขอขอบพระคุณท่านผู้อำนวยการโรงเรียนอาจารย์ปัญญากุงอิทที่อนุญาตให้พวกเราได้มาที่นี่และได้บุบของขวัญให้กับเด็กๆในวันนี้และพวกเราขอขอบพระคุณคุณครูและทีมงานทุกท่านที่ได้จัดการและเตรียมการต่างๆที่ทำให้ผู้ปกครองนักเรียนและพวกเราได้มาพบกันในวันนี้ณโอกาสนี้พวกผมรู้สึกมีความสุขที่ได้มีโอกาสมาแบ่งปันสิ่งของทั้งๆให้แก่เด็กๆถึงแม้ว่าอาจจะไม่มากนักนะแต่มาจากหัวใจที่เต็มเปี่ยมของพวกเราผู้นำของสมาชิกโบสถ์คริสตจาก Seventh Day Adventist ของพวกเราคือท่านอาจารย์มาร์คสุลิธีได้ตัดสินใจในการรวบรวมสิ่งของที่บริจาคจากเพื่อนๆและพวกเราตลอดจนรวบรวมเงินบริจาคเพื่อซื้อของขวัญให้กับเด็กๆในโอกาสวันคริสต์มาสนี้เพราะคริสต์มาสหมายถึงการให้และการแบ่งปันยิ่งไปกว่านั้นผมรู้สึกมีความสุขที่ได้เห็นเด็กๆมาโรงเรียนเพราะเขาคือความหวังของชาติและผมรู้สึกดีใจที่เห็นผู้ปกครองส่งลูกหลานมาโรงเรียนเพราะทุกท่านได้เห็นความสำคัญของการศึกษาyou're here again แป๊บนึงทั้งนี้ผู้ปกครองและคุณครูทุกท่านมีส่วนในการสร้างอนาคตที่มีคุณค่าของพวกเขาและเพื่ออนาคตที่สดใสมากขึ้นของชาติของพวกเราในปีข้างหน้าต่อไปสวัสดีพี่ใหม่และขอให้ทุกท่านมีความสุขในวันพี่ใหม่ครับสวัสดีครับ So this will be my speech. I need to memorize this one, but I have to bring this copy, like just in case. So just less than a minute speech. I don't know who owned this cat. Now he's not leaving me. He's following all the way through. I was like going back to the house to let the chickens out since around 11 or 12. No, should be 11. We'll be leaving this house to the church and bring some food, lunch for the members, and then by 2 o'clock, all of us will be departing together from the church to that temple school where we will be giving gifts. Actually, my family and I, we don't have that much of something to give the children, but we're asked to help the program. So the church and some of our friends have already prepared those gifts for the children. So I don't know what to do now. I'm pretty sure that this cat won't leave me. She will be following me. I will try if she's going to follow me here. Oh, maybe not anymore. I don't know why she's here. And we've been here for 3 years, more than 3 years. And this is my first time to see this cat. There's brown spotted, white spotted, black spotted, and pure black. I think around another 6 or 7 cats. Other 7 cats who are like coming into this house alternately, like 2 cats for today, the next day it's another. Maybe they're looking for rats, I don't know. But this is my very first time to see this cat. And she's quite friendly. Unlike the others, they would just hide behind the pots and like around the corner. And yeah, they don't come close to us. But this cutie here, she's not afraid. You want to stay here? But I'm pretty sure, Meow Meow, there's owner. You have some caretaker because you have this bell. But I don't know who's your owner. Okay? But as long as you don't hurt the chickens, you are really, really welcome here into this house. Nah? Okay, suit yourself. And I'll see if you don't hurt the chickens because I need to let them out now to scratch and look for bugs before I can put them back at the chicken coop until tomorrow morning because we'll be out for around a day. So we'll come back tomorrow since the members of the church will have some party right this evening after the community services at the temple school, and we'll be sleeping over in a particular like kind of resort, private resort, and then we'll come back here in this house tomorrow morning and continue doing my stagnant, like the work that I supposed to finish this short amount of time, this vacation, this New Year's vacation. We only like have 2-3 days, including weekends. So it's not that much, but I'll try to balance. And I just got busted from my poker tournament today. I tried to like grow my chips from 10,000, which is the beginning, the starting chips, to around 40,000. And late registration, there's still around 34 minutes left for the registration to be closed. And then later on, I made like I was stacked by King 10. I have Ace, Queen, and the flop came like King or 10, and I don't have anything on the board until the first and the last river card. And so I pop out my account, my chips. But I hope that tomorrow it's a bigger tournament. It's 5,000 prize pool, so I'll try to possibly get into the money. Hopefully. So today I have to prepare a lot of things in the garden. My wife is preparing for the rest of the things that we're going to bring into the church, and also my mom. And here I'm preparing for my part, and also uh, I'll be preparing for the chicken coop, water, feeds, and everything for the chickens to have while we are out for around a day. And so that's the thing that I can share with you, YouTube friends, for today. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next. Bye.